Hi, I'm Rebecca Hawkins. I get to help workplaces create environments where their employees thrive, so their business thrives, and so the world thrives. Right now, it's a really fun and fascinating blend for me of coaching and consulting. Coach Training EDU was a significant turning point for me. It was like the right price point and the right length. I was so impressed with the material, the way it's broken down. It gave me a much stronger foundation to all of the ICF components of coaching, the coach qualities, ethics. I really learned a ton from the program. And then it also set me on the path towards getting my ICF accreditation. So it's been very instrumental. And even the fact that Coach Training EDU provided a toolkit for the business side of it, for really creating your life work, gave me a lot of resources. Really, this whole coaching journey has been tremendously transformative.